To enable TD Bank mobile banking, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a TD Bank account and a mobile device with internet access. If you do not have a TD Bank account, you will need to open one before proceeding. Next, download the TD Bank mobile banking app from the App Store on your device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once the app is downloaded, open it and select the option to enroll in mobile banking. You will be prompted to enter your TD Bank account information, including your account number and routing number. You will also need to create a username and password for your mobile banking account. Choose a strong and unique password to protect your account. After entering your account information, you will receive a verification code via email or text message. Enter this code into the app to verify your account. This step is necessary to ensure the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can log in to the mobile banking app using your username and password. From here, you can view your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity. To add an extra layer of security to your mobile banking account, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password when logging in. Finally, make sure to keep your mobile banking app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. By following these steps, you can easily enable TD Bank mobile banking and start managing your accounts on the go. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account by using strong passwords and keeping your device and app up to date.